So, first of all, workforce training certification at Leeward, we're different because these classes are not for credit, meaning they don't count for a degree. So, we're able to offer them year round. Like Glenn showed you on the chart, a lot of them are short term, 2 years, 1 year or less, national credentials. And we also work with business to offer these classes. The first area we offer classes is in computer skills. So we do everything from basic keyboarding, how to operate a computer, which you guys probably already know already. But we also have courses in Microsoft Office classes and the Office Administration and Technology course that Glenn just mentioned. So, Glenn, you want to elaborate on that course a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. So, just a few things that we go over in the office administration class. We teach you how to do a personal professional audit of what you've done previously up until now in your life, whether it's volunteering once a week or once ever, clubs in school, and I help you um, come down with skills that you've learned, look up the professional organization, see how they say they want you to look like, and then we try and match it. So it's a very specific resume that you're writing. So I teach you how to do that. And the last project that leads up to it is your project is you have to reach out to a manager level business professional and do an interview with them saying, hey, how did you become successful in this career? So I found that when we do that, the students get a better understanding of what it takes to be successful in business, but they also get business contacts again. And it's a manager level person. So yeah, so just a couple of things we do in the class, and we do a lot more, but that's two cool things that I can say right now.
Okay, thanks, Glenn. And you guys will
Yeah.
see as I'm going through these slides, you see this little URL on the bottom of the screen. That's our website. You guys can check out these classes, more information online if you like, or contact Glenn or myself and ask us about it. Okay, so our computer classes, like I mentioned, Microsoft skills. You may know some of these programs already, but we have from beginner to advanced skills. So maybe you want to increase your skill set, get better at Word or Excel or PowerPoint. I guarantee you, you will need these this software or some version of it at almost every job you go to. Okay, because every job has computers in. You need computer skills for every job. Okay, and again, focusing a little more on the healthcare, we have a nurse aid training program. So I have some information here, some of the basic duties, average salary, 10-year growth rate. I'm trying to show you that you can make a decent living and have a future in this career through these short training programs. Nurse aid is 9 weeks, 9 or 10 weeks. Um, like Glenn said in the beginning, a lot of them will be 2 years or less. So, and you can do them while you're going to college. Let's see. Here's Glenn's medical assisting class. So again, some of the duties, average salary, 10-year growth rate, and I'm going to share with you a slide at the end, a website that Leeward Community College has where you can look up local jobs. And I got all of this information, like the salary and growth rate, from our website. It's called Career Coach. Glenn, anything you want to add about MA before I move on?
Yes, just a couple quick seconds. So medical assisting is a great way to learn a lot about the healthcare field in a short amount of time. That's what I took. I took a medical assisting course and wish I did that years earlier because that would have told me which doctor I wanted to become sooner or which type of nurse, and I would have been working alongside those doctors and nurses. So I'd say medical assisting, CNA is even shorter. But definitely something to look into if you're planning to move on into healthcare field so you can be working in the field. But thanks, Ted. Thanks for that shout out.
Okay, great. Um, our pharmacy technician program, I believe, normally is 12 weeks. Right now, we have an online version that is 9 weeks. Correct me if I'm wrong, Glenn. But again, You can make a decent living with this. There's a good growth projection for the next 10 years. And as part of our pharmacy technician training program, you can extern at either Long's Drugs or Walgreens. Um, right now, because of COVID, a lot of the stores have such a need that they're actually our last pharmacy technician class. They were taking people directly into employment instead of the externship because they need help. So you guys can see how, again, essential workers, pharmacy, uh, patient services, medical assisting, nurse aid, just about any type of healthcare job or career is going to be essential right now, and you're going to have opportunity for employment. So our class prepares you for a national credential, as is listed here, certified pharmacy technician, and it's a really in-demand field right now, in-demand job. Okay, moving on. I just got a couple of more. So you guys see those big trucks on the road, the really big ones that carry the mats and containers? Um, you need what's called a CDL license to drive that. It's commercial driver's license. We do the training for it. It's pretty hardcore. It moves at a fast pace, but if you can get your CDL license, look at the average salary, look at the growth rate. Now, average salary, that just means kind of um, on the average, right? It doesn't mean on the low end or high end. There's some truck drivers that are making six figures out there, a lot of them actually. So a lot of good opportunity for, sorry, a lot of good opportunity for a good job out there. Last one is we also offer forklift training. Now, this is something, especially for you, Josh, if you're going into the trades, learn how to use a forklift, right? Our class is 2 days. 2 days you can get forklift certified, and you only got to recertify every, I think, 2 or 3 years. That's a skill that if you've already got on your resume, or you can tell guys that you already know how to operate different forklifts and different vehicles, guarantee that's a plus any job you try to apply for. So think about it. You guys put in the chat, what are some places you think uses a forklift operator? There's a lot. When I looked and researched, there's a lot more than I ever thought. A lot of different applications for a forklift driver. So besides the warehouse, like this picture that this guy is in, what other places you think employ forklift operators? That's right, airport. How about some others? Think about places where they gotta move heavy things. Costco, there you go. Sam's Club. Yep. So you guys can see, right? I mean, think about it. Airport, food service, warehouse, delivery places, shipping places. There's jobs for that right now. Those are all essential. Um, my friend is a mailman right now, and he's busier than he's ever been. Shipping is just crazy right now. So drivers, forklift operators, inventory guys, all in demand. Yeah.